Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. Today I will be sharing awesome recipes which could be on your Thanksgiving table too, along with turkey roast, potato mash and lot more. If you like my videos, do like, share and subscribe to my channel. Live tasty, be happy. Now let's get started. I have taken 2 kg of chicken wings. First I will be nicely washing it with water. In that I will be adding vinegar. White vinegar I am adding. I will leave it in that for 10 minutes for the chicken wings to get washed nicely. Then I will drain it. To that I am adding salt and paprika. Paprika will give a different flavor. If you don't have also, no worries. 1 teaspoon of chili powder, garlic powder, onion powder, pepper powder and ginger powder. If you don't have ginger, garlic and onion powder, don't worry, you can add ginger garlic paste also. Nicely give it a mix, then add lemon juice. 1 full lemon I am using for this 2 kg of chicken wings. You can also increase the lemon juice, no worries. I am adding buttermilk. You can also use curd if you don't have buttermilk. Nicely mix all the ingredients and keep it aside for at least 2 to 3 hours, or even overnight you can keep as I did. Next we will prepare the rice. For that I am taking 3 cups of water, 2 cups of rice. To that I am adding 1 cup of beans, 1 cup of corn, 1 cup carrots, salt to taste, and then I will be adding turmeric powder, followed by whole spices and 1 cup of milk. Then I am adding oil, 4 tablespoon oil and 1 tablespoon of ghee, then 1 teaspoon of shahi jeera, which gives nice flavoring. That's it. In this I am not going to fry anything or not too much of work. It is a very easy rice recipe. Sure, give it a try. First keep it 5 minutes on high and 10 minutes on low. Your rice will be ready. I am just cutting few mint leaves from my pot. See, even when the temperatures went low, below 40 degrees, the mint was growing. It was so surprising to me. This rice is a very flavorful rice. On any party, this rice will be outstanding and very delicious rice. Sure, give it a try. You can see how the rice has been cooked very nicely. All the grains are separate, nice and long. Do not mix it too much, just little bit here and there, and then I will be adding mint leaves. This also I will be just mixing it on top only. After 1 hour only you should mix it up and down. This is cranberry. For Thanksgiving, cranberry is a must. Everybody will use it. 1 cup, quarter cup cranberry and quarter cup of walnuts I am adding in this. You can choose any nuts of your choice. Now next we will move on to the wings. I have taken 1 cup maida and 1 cup of corn flour. Nicely give it a good mix. See, the wings are ready now. Now we will coat these wings in this flour. Okay, after coating these wings in this flour, either you can deep fry, you can air fry, or you can bake it in the oven. All 3 will be perfectly fine, but the most tastiest one is when you do deep fry. So today I will be doing deep fry. You can either deep fry on the stove top or like how I am doing it on my small deep fryer. Now we are done with all the coating. Now we will deep fry all these wings. When you deep fry these wings in the kadai on stove top, do not touch them for first 3 minutes. First 3 minutes the outer layer of the coating will be the oil will be working on it, and you should not disturb it at all. After 3 minutes you can flip it, but for me in this case I don't need to do that. When you do it on the kadai, don't touch for first 3 minutes. Then next 5 minutes you can flip it and cook, and your wings will be very much ready. It depends on which type of kadai or temperature you are cooking. The chicken wings has to be well done. Now let's prepare barbecue sauce. For that I have taken 2 tablespoons of butter, 1 teaspoon of paprika powder. If you want nice hot sauce, you add 1 teaspoon of chili powder also. I am adding honey, and this is barbecue sauce, and this will give nice barbecue flavor. And this is quarter cup of hot and sweet tomato chili sauce and 1 teaspoon of pepper. If you don't have hot and sweet sauce, no worries, you can add normal ketchup and chili powder to that. Nicely give it a good mix, and now we will toss all these chicken wings in this barbecue sauce. If you are feeling that the barbecue sauce is less while mixing this, you can take another saucepan and prepare the same sauce and mix it again. These barbecue hot wings are very juicy. They are crispy as well as very soft from inside. I am just sprinkling some sesame seeds. This is for giving a nice beautiful look. That's it. It's optional. Now our awesome barbecue hot wings recipe is ready. I just prepared hot wings and the rice, as well as with that always we will have salad. 1 bowl of salad also I prepared. For dessert I did not prepare anything. My husband, when he went to Costco, he brought pecan pie, which is very favorite for everyone in our house. I also prepared orange and cranberry scones in the evening, which I will be sharing in my next video. Keep watching. Wish you all a very happy Thanksgiving. Hope you all like this video. Do like, share and subscribe to my channel. Live tasty, be happy. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.